Yo, what's good everyone? Zay came with another video. Today I'm going to be working on my Mustang. We're going to be finishing the exhaust. And let me just show you what I got going on. Okay, so we're in the garage right now. Today, I'm going to be finishing my exhaust. First thing you want to do, welding your exhaust. Disconnect the battery. So just disconnect the negative ground. Set to the side. And this is my... Let me show you the old exhaust I got. Right there. Big old mufflers. Are these. They're gonna look very nice on the black. So I just chopped them off, welded some pipe on it, bent some pipe, and that's basically it. Just weld it like that, and I'm gonna finish those welds right there. So let's get to it. I just wanna love somebody who ain't everything and keep my name. First, I'm gonna knock off this paint so I can get the best ground. These games, they all play. Wanna find something stronger than the whiskey. So this is good enough for now. Once I'm done, I'm gonna just spray paint some black over it and call it a day. Alright, so we're in the back. Here's the tips. And you can see right there, they're just like an eighth big all around. And that's no bueno. So I cut the ends and I'll hammer them in and then make it smaller. Alright, I'm back from Home Depot. I had to get some cut-off wheels and welding wire to cut this like a 1/4 inch back and then hammer it in. I already got that side done, as you could tell, but I was using the hacksaw, but it's very sketchy. It's better to use a cut-off wheel. So I'm gonna do that, fix that side, put the welding wire in and finish it out. I'll show you when I'm done. I just wanna love somebody that don't want me falling apart. And I'll be lucky if I ever find something more than just a crazy night. I just wanna love somebody who won't ever hold my heart. Who won't ever hold my heart. Alright, so there's all the tips. It's done. It looks straight, as you can tell. Yeah, this looks good. I'll give you some sound clips and then that'll be it. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments. And that's it. See you in the next video.